Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison between Close CRM and GHL or Go High Level. In order to do so, here we are at close.com and we're also at gohighlevel.com. Let's do a comparison of the two using Cider AI. According to Cider, Close CRM is a customer relationship management tool designed primarily for sales teams. It focuses on streamlining communication and improving sales processes through integrating calling and emailing. Key features include built-in calling, voice over IP calling directly from the CRM, enabling easy communication with clients, email integration, seamless email tracking and management within the platform, automate repetitive tasks to enhance productivity, visual sales pipeline to track opportunities and manage leads, advanced reporting features to measure sales performance. The target audience is sales teams, startups, and SMBs, companies looking for a sales-focused CRM. You can manage sales processes, tracking leads and opportunities, automating outreach efforts. The pricing typically starts at around $29 per user per month, with different tiers based on the features needed. Go High Level, on the other hand, is an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform designed primarily for agencies and marketers. It provides a wide range of tools for managing leads, marketing campaigns, and customer relationships. Its key features include marketing automation, comprehensive campaigns and automation workflows, sales funnels, tools for creating landing pages and sales funnels, SMS and email marketing, integrated SMS and email marketing capabilities, membership sites, ability to create and manage membership sites and courses, white labeling options for agencies to brand the platform as their own. Target audience includes marketing agencies, freelancers and consultants, businesses looking for an integrated marketing solution. Use cases include running marketing campaigns, client management for agencies, building sales funnels and landing pages, and the pricing generally starts at around $97 a month for a single account, with additional pricing for agency features and white labeling options. The choice between Close CRM and Go High Level depends on your primary needs. Close CRM is better suited for sales-focused teams needing robust communication tools, while Go High Level is ideal for marketing agencies and professionals looking for an all-in-one solution that integrates CRM capabilities with marketing automation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, take a look in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as links to our top AI recommendations with promotions you can take advantage of, including Sintra AI, Cider, and EnzoBot. Click on the links there to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.